English podcast show Learn English Smartly. Did you know that most English learners forget 90% of the new words they learn in just 1 week? Yes, 90%. And guess what? It's not your fault. Let me tell you a story. There's a boy named Brian. He's 22. He works hard every day and studies English at night. He writes down 20 new words every day in his notebook. But after a week, when he tries to remember, he can't. He feels sad. He feels like a failure. One day, Brian asked me, "Emma, what's the point of learning words if I forget them so fast?" And I told him, "You don't need to learn more. You just need to learn in a smarter way." Today, I will show you that smart way. It's simple, it's fun, and it works, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll teach you how to make new English words stick in your brain, like glue. Plus, Maria will share 10 magic words you'll use in daily life. And Alex, he has a funny tip that involves your mirror. Seriously. So if you're tired of forgetting words, stay with us. And oh, don't miss the last segment. Alex shares a weird but genius method that helped him remember 1,000 plus words. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button. It's free, fun, and helps you speak English better every day. Let's go, language warriors. Hello, my lovely English learners. I'm Emma. Welcome back to the English Podcast Show, Day 9.
And I'm Alex. I love helping people learn English in easy and fun ways.
Segment 1. Why we forget words. Let's talk about something important. Why do we forget new English words? You learn a new word today. Maybe it's happy, fast, or beautiful. You write it in your notebook. You say it once, maybe twice. And then, poof, tomorrow, it's gone from your memory. Why does this happen? Well, let's compare your brain to a whiteboard. When you hear or read a word just once, it's like writing on the whiteboard with a pencil. It fades quickly, but if you repeat it, if you say it out loud, if you use it in a real sentence, it's like writing that word with a marker. Now it stays longer.
Yes. Our brain is not a storage box. It's more like a garden. If you plant a new word but don't water it, it dies. Watering means saying the word, using it in a sentence, seeing it again in real life. Without that watering, your brain says, this word is not important. Let's forget it.
So don't feel bad. It happens to everyone, beginners and even advanced learners. But the good news? You can fix it with simple tricks, and we'll teach you those today. And remember, learning a new word is not just about knowing it, it's about using it and feeling it. If you learn the word tired and say, "I am tired after school," your brain connects the word to your real life. That's what makes it stick. Segment 2. Simple tricks to remember English words for beginners. Now that we know why we forget words, let's talk about how to remember them forever. I'll show you 3 simple tricks. These are super easy, and anyone can do them, even if you're just starting to learn English. Trick 1. Say the word out loud. Use your voice. Reading is good, but speaking is better. When you say a word out loud, your brain listens, your ears listen. Even your mouth and tongue learn how to move. It's like teaching your body and mind at the same time. So when you learn a word like happy, don't just read it in your notebook. Say it. Say, "I feel happy." "I am happy today." "This song makes me happy." Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Say it slowly. Then say it fast. Say it with a smile. The more you say it, the more your brain will remember it.
Trick 2. Connect the word to a picture, action, or feeling. Our brains love pictures. So here's what I do. If I learn the word cold, I don't just write it down. I act it out. I shiver, I hug myself, and I say, "Brr, it's cold." Now my body remembers it too. Or I draw a small picture beside the word. For tired, I draw a sleepy face. For fast, I draw a running person. It doesn't have to be perfect art. Even a stick figure helps. This is called visual learning, and it works like magic.
Trick 3. Use the word in your real life, right now. This is my favorite. Imagine you're in your room. Look around. Say what you see using your new words. The bed is big. My phone is small. The tea is hot. I am hungry. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a teacher. You just need your real life. This is called active learning. You use words like tools, and tools that we use often, we never forget.
Bonus tip, make the word emotional. When a word connects to a feeling, it stays in your heart. If you say, "This cake is good," okay, you may forget that. But if you say, "This is the best cake I've ever eaten in my life," now the word best is connected to a strong feeling, joy. So next time, don't just learn the word, feel the word.
Emma's real-life example. When I learned the word nervous, I made a story. I was nervous before my exam. My hands were shaking. My heart was fast. That sentence was real for me. I never forgot the word again. Segment 3. Let's practice together. Beginner vocabulary practice. Okay, my dear learners, now it's your time to speak with us. This is one of the most powerful ways to make vocabulary stick. It's called guided speaking. We'll say a word, we'll say a sentence. You will repeat it with us, not just in your mind. Say it out loud wherever you are. Let's begin. Step 1. Repeat the word. Our first word is happy. Can you say it with me? Happy. Repeat slowly. Again. Happy. Great job.
Step 2. Use it in a simple sentence. Now say this sentence with me. I feel happy today. Let's say it together. I feel happy today. One more time, but louder. I feel happy today.
Step 3. Add emotion or gesture. Now, let's add some fun. Smile while you say it. Put your hands up in the air and say, I feel happy today. Can you feel the difference? That's how your brain remembers. Let's try more words together. Now we'll practice 5 useful words together. Each one has a sentence. Ready? 1. Cold. Say cold. Now repeat, the water is cold. One more time, the water is cold. Act like you are shivering.
2. Big. Say big. Now, the bag is big. Say it again. The bag is big. Stretch your arms wide.
3. Tired. Say tired. Now, I feel tired after school. Yawn a little if you want. Make it real. I feel tired after school. 4. Fast. Say fast. Now, this car is fast. Say it with energy. This car is fast. You can even pretend to drive. 5. Hungry. Say hungry. Now, I am hungry now. Say it with a hungry face. I am hungry now. Think of your favorite food. Look at you, speaking English already. You just learned and practiced 5 powerful everyday words. And not only that, you said them, felt them, and lived them. That's how real learning happens. Now here's your mission. Pick 3 of these words and use them in your real life today. Say them to your mom, to your friend, to your cat. Say, I'm hungry. That's fast. I feel tired. It may feel funny at first, but that's how every champion begins. Segment 4. Learn fewer words but use them more. Okay, friends, here's a truth that surprises many English learners. You don't need to learn 20 new words every day. In fact, that's too much. What you really need is this. Learn 3 words. Use them 30 times. Remember them forever. Let me explain. Why fewer words is better. If you try to learn too many words, your brain gets tired. It's like trying to carry 10 bags of rice at once. You'll drop them all. But if you learn just 3 new words and use them again and again, those words become strong in your brain. So it's not about learning more. It's about learning better.
I once learned the word excited. I didn't just read it in my book. I used it in my day. I said, I'm excited for lunch. I told my friend, I'm excited about the movie. I texted my mom, I'm excited to see you. By the end of the day, I didn't just know the word, I owned it. Your turn. Make a 3-word daily list.
So here's a cool tip for all our beginners out there. Every morning, write down 3 new words. You can get them from this podcast, your book, or your daily life. Now try to say each word 5 times. Use each word in a sentence. Say the sentences to yourself, to a friend, or even record a voice message to yourself. Do this every day, and guess what? After 30 days, you'll have 90 words you'll never forget. Segment 5. Alex's funny memory trick, the sticky note mirror method.
All right, friends. Now it's time for one of my favorite memory tricks. And yes, it's a little silly, but it really works. I call it the sticky note mirror method, or as I like to say, learn English while brushing your teeth. Step-by-step explanation. Here's what you do. Get some small sticky notes or paper. Write 1 new English word on each note. Keep it simple. Words like happy, cold, tired, big, fast. Stick these notes on your mirror. Yes, the one in your bathroom. Every morning when you brush your teeth or wash your face, look at the mirror and say the word out loud. For example, you see the note that says happy. You smile in the mirror and say, I feel happy today. Say it while brushing your teeth. Say it while fixing your hair. Say it like you're talking to your best friend in the mirror.
I love this tip, Alex. But tell us, why does it work so well?
Because it's automatic. You look in the mirror every day, right? So now you see the word every day. You speak it every day. It becomes a part of your routine, like your toothbrush. And because it's funny, you laugh a little. When learning is fun, your brain says, hey, I like this. Let's remember it. Add some drama. It helps. Here's another trick. Act the word out. Be dramatic. If the word is tired, yawn and say, I'm so tired. If it's cold, shiver and say, it's freezing. Add sound, action, expression. Now the word is not just in your notebook. It's in your body, voice, and memory.
So, language warriors, are you ready to turn your bathroom into a classroom? This trick may sound funny, but it's powerful. Sticky notes plus mirror plus real voice equals memory magic. Try it today. Take a picture of your mirror, post it, and tag us. We want to see your learning corner. And now it's time for our vocabulary expert, Maria, to break down some of the useful words and phrases we use today. Maria? Wordwise with Maria.
Hello, my wonderful learners. I'm Maria, and welcome to my favorite part of the podcast, the Vocabulary Vault. Today, I'll give you 20 powerful English words and expressions you can use in daily life. These are words you often hear in movies, conversations, and even in the IELTS exam. Don't worry if they sound new. I'll explain them slowly with simple examples and show you how to use them. From segment, Emotions and Feelings. 1. Tired meaning, feeling no energy. Example, after school I feel tired and just want to sleep. 2. Excited, meaning, very happy about something that's going to happen. Example, I'm so excited for my birthday tomorrow. 3. Nervous, meaning worried or shy before something important. Example, I felt nervous before my English exam. 4. Confused, meaning you don't understand something. Example, I was confused by the teacher's question. 5. Proud, meaning happy because of success. Example, I was proud when I finished my first English book. From segment, Describing things. 6. Huge meaning very big. Example, that building is huge. It has 30 floors. 7. Tiny meaning very small. Example, look at this tiny kitten, so cute. 8. Delicious, meaning very tasty. Example, the cake was delicious, I want more. 9. Expensive, meaning costs a lot of money. Example, this phone is expensive, but it's really good. 10th, messy, meaning not clean or not organized. Example, my room is so messy, I need to clean it. From segment, real life and emotions. 11, grateful, meaning thankful for something. Example, I'm grateful for your help with homework. 12, lazy, meaning not wanting to work or move. Example, I felt lazy on Sunday and just watched TV. 13, strong, meaning having power or energy. Example, my mom is strong. She works hard every day. 14, honest, meaning always tells the truth. Example, be honest with your teacher if you didn't finish the work. 15th, polite, meaning saying kind words like please and thank you. Example, the waiter was polite and helpful. All these 15 words are in your free PDF with examples and sentences. You can practice them, speak them, even teach them to your friends. Tip: try using just 2 or 3 new words each day. Make sentences. Say them in front of the mirror. Use them at school, at home, with friends. Remember, words become strong when you use them. And I'll be back tomorrow with 10 more power words. So keep learning, keep shining, and keep talking.
Wow, you did it! You stayed with us, you practiced, you repeated, and you even learned to own your vocabulary. But hey, don't stop now, because tomorrow's episode is going to be a game changer, especially for all you IELTS warriors out there. We're diving into the best way to learn vocabulary for IELTS: fast, focused, and forever. You'll learn how to think like a top scorer, memorize high-level vocabulary in smart ways, and avoid the boring word lists that never work. And we'll give you exam-ready phrases, Band 9 expressions, and secret tricks that even native speakers use. So if you're dreaming of Canada, the UK, Australia, or just a better score on your IELTS speaking or writing, Day 10 is your golden key. Don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button like your future depends on it, because it just might. And please share this episode with a friend who's learning English, because when you grow and you help others grow, that's how we all rise together. Let me leave you with this: 1 new word a day, 1 bold sentence a day, 1 brave conversation a day. That's how fluency begins. And you, my friend, are already on the path. I'm Emma, and this is the English Podcast Show. See you tomorrow for a masterclass in IELTS vocabulary.